So we just started with a bucket with some regular Dawn dish soap in it. We're going to take the hose off of the drain pump because you kind of don't want all the crap getting in there, because whatever you wash out in here is going to go down that hole and will ultimately go in the drain plug. There's going to be water. You could also remove the drain pump very easily. Just take the whole thing out. It pops out with the two clips there. Flat blade. Just pull it right out. There we go. That'll work. That's fine.
Well, you don't want to get it on the motor, right?
No. That'll be fine. There we go. So really now you just sort of, obviously take the big things out first, and you can blow into the tube here or use compressed air. On this one there's a little thing where it comes out over here, and clean that out, and we're just going to kind of wipe it out first.
Yeah.
There you go, see? All that crap. And that is why you shouldn't be afraid to take a shit in a public place. This is what we came for. We came, we saw, we kicked its ass. Why? What is this? Look.
It was putty.
That is why this. Oh shit, it's really gonna throw up.
Okay.
So at this point we're sort of just mucking out the stall, as you see. You just get in there and just clean it out. You could use a scrub brush, you could use a sponge, you could use a scrunch. You use anything you want, and then obviously everything gets washed out. We have the hose disconnected there, so anything that goes in the tub here is going to go right out onto the ground. That's the nice thing about working outside. If you're in a basement or something that has a floor drain nearby, well, you're just about as good as gold with that too. And just spray it all out to see what else needs to be cleaned. Well, there you go, all cleaned out, or as clean as you'd like to make it. It's 1,000 times better than it was. Even all the crap that was around here cleaned off, everything drained out, wiped out, and that's it. So now we're going to concentrate on the wash basket, and then of course the case and the tub ring over here. So let's spray this out, clean it with the hose.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fucking pussy left on you, asshole. He got the asshole.
Let me ask you something. Do you fuck Scott?
No, I'm not.
Does he have a tight little asshole?
No, he's my best friend. I don't do that thing. Who's this?
You know Scott's pussy? He has like a pussy lips on his ass.
Who's this?
He can talk with his ass, that guy.
Who's this?
Hello, everybody. So today, we're gonna make it a ring.
Hello everybody, today we make caponata.
We'll make a nice vanilla ring, okay? And then what you gotta do is, then you hold it off with the water.
Now I've done it. I've cut the dickens out of my finger. Well, I'm glad in a way this happened. Accidents do occur from time to time in the kitchen. We've never really discussed what to do.
And it becomes someone's gonna say, did he just do two separate people? Hello, everybody.
We got that. This is a seal that's on there, it just sort of peels out and put it back later.
Cake by the ocean.
Now he's got a scrub brush
Right, it's sealed for your pleasure.
and his sponge,
Right, one side is spongy and one side is brushy.
his scrungy. Squeaky clean like brand new.
Right, and then I shit my drawers. So you're gonna get a guy who's gonna watch this video, and he's gonna watch the first 10 minutes, and he's gonna say, I love it, this is great. I went to my mother's house, and I did the same thing, and then that guy came on, and he fucked, and shit, and pissed, and oh my God, my mother's Christian. And I didn't fix, and then now she's got no lid on her wash machine because I had to shut the video and go pray.
Right. This is New York, people. Get over it.
Get over it. Fuck, shit, whatever else. Okay? It's not made for children. Sometimes it's not even made for adults.
Yeah, that's very true.
Everyone gets, oh, pussy hurts. Oh, look, wings. Where the fuck are they going? Remember that skit?
Yep.
What's the deal with maxi pads? Why do they put wings on it? Where are they going? I think that was Dice Clay, right?
It sounds like it.
Right now you
certainly.
gotta have to put it in.
No, I don't think I'm going to edit any of that crap.
Oh,
in.
that's right. This is more of a informative slash.
More of an informative video with a
think
little
it's
bit of
informative.
screwing around, like
What,
I
quit
said.
screwing around.
Because you want to see the shit that happens off camera.
Right, literally.
It did before.
Right, all in the brush. You're lucky to have indoor plumbing.
So there's the wash tub, getting it scrubbed down. We took this out, which I think is the magic lint filter. They call it magic. It's allegedly self-cleaning, but you see all that brown? That's 30 years of baby vomit. It is absolutely putrid, this stuff. It doesn't smell, but it's not good. This did crack in a couple of little places, but I don't think that's going to be detrimental. I'm sure it's obtainable, if anything. And you can see the 4 tabs there that you press to get it out. But you can also see all of the dirt that is coming off of this thing from all the years. Yuck. Yuck. And you're washing your clothes in there.